Hi, my name's Nicole McMillan and I just want to give you some feedback, Trish, on Build Your AU and what an amazing journey it's been for me over the past 4 to 5 months. Since I first met you late last year, I have jumped on your weekly webinars. I've become part of your coaching group and I've been able to transform my small business, which was solely done face-to-face and in person, and develop some online content that I can now market and derive an income from. So this is something that I had thought about but hadn't really explored how to go about it. And on top of that, it wasn't just that I was able to develop some content, it was around my knowledge and experience, and it's very personal to me, so it's not something that I've taken from somewhere else, other people's ideas. This is truly an extension of myself and who I am and what I've learned through life. So it's something that's unique to me that I will be able to promote and market as a paid product. So what's really amazing about the process as well is I've learned how to create online content. I've learned how to do my videos. I've also been encouraged by the group with amazing advice and support to take the leap and develop my own web pages, which I've been able to do. I've developed 2 websites, not quite published yet, but so close. And once I've done that, my series will be ready within a couple of weeks. So it's kind of crazy. I just didn't expect this. So I'm eternally grateful, especially with the current global situation with this pandemic, and to be able to adapt my business model to an online source of income is something that we've been preparing for all this time without realizing how relevant it was going to be. So thank you, and can't wait to see what the future holds.